Hello, my name is Charles Sabo. I am just doing a little plug for the book that I just had come out in January, published by Lawrence Publishing. It's called Isaiah, a Bible commentary, as you can see here, kind of thick, back of it. All right, and so if you look, I've printed I put the words in here, the font a little larger than most books would have. I do it for the elderly and as well as for those that have bad eyesight and they aren't able to afford glasses. I used to work in the Tucson Gospel Rescue Mission, and I found many of the homeless couldn't afford glasses, and so they would refuse to read a Bible that they couldn't see. I was handing them Bibles with small print, and they had a problem with it. So it was very frustrating to try to find a Bible for them to read. So I've done this for them and for the elderly who want to read this. I'm going to show you just real quick some of the chapters and so forth. It's a large book, and so you'll see that's the title page. And we scroll down, and a little bit about me. I'll scroll past that. Don't need to know. I mean, you can go find out. Some of you already know about me. You can see the chapters are quite well represented with pages. I've got some 20-some page chapters. I'll go all the way down. You'll see last chapter 66 starts on page 591. The bibliography 604. So even that last chapter is 13 pages. And so it is in depth. I've done a hermeneutics in depth, words, clauses, phrases, paragraphs, everything in there that has been broken down in detail and explained in the book of Isaiah. If you have questions about certain passages in Isaiah, I've got the answer. I seem a little arrogant, but that is what the Lord has shown me. My expertise in eschatology, Bible prophecy as it is, you'll see that I'll answer a lot of the questions you have. So just want to show that there is an e-book available. It is a quite expensive book. It's $143 retail to buy a print copy, although there are some copies on eBay for $100. I've got it up on eBay for $100, and then there's another gentleman that has it, or company that has it for like $99 and $99.50. I didn't want to undershoot them because I'd rather have you buy it through them than buy it through me. I'd have to ship it to you. So I do have copies to ship, but either way, I'm fine. And so ebook is $69, so it's a little cheaper to get the ebook. And so go from there. So I just want to plug that, and you can hit like down here on my video as well as subscribe to my channel. Okay. So in the meantime, I'm doing other books. I've already written a book called Joel, Zephaniah, and Zechariah, three Bible commentaries together in one book. That hasn't come on the market yet, ready to go. I also I'm writing that right now, the book of Revelation of Jesus Christ, and I'm currently in the middle of chapter 19, and that's going to be a long chapter. It's already 27 pages, and I'm still got 6 or 7 verses to go. So it's chapter 19 is amazing. And so anyway, I look forward to publishing that as well when it's done. Right now I'm doing commentaries on each chapter on YouTube. So if you're interested, go there. But right now, take a look at the book. Feel free to buy this. It's up for presentation in universities. Universities should be using this, as some of them that are studying Isaiah or the Old Testament should be pulling this up. And I've marketed it to over 300 professors throughout the nation. So hopefully you'll see it in some universities soon. So may God bless you, and you have yourselves a great rest of the day.